vegetable garden is amazing. It was started on May 7th, and I tell you, it has been really blossoming. Of course, I've eaten some of the herbs from it, but I'm still waiting on the tomatoes and the bell peppers and carrots to go ahead and do their thing. But look at this tomato plant. I'm just like, wow. And then the yellow flowers here will actually be where the fruit comes from. Fruit or vegetable, because tomatoes can, I don't know, they call them fruit and they call them vegetable, but that's usually where it produces the actual tomato, like this one. And look down in here. You can see right there, that thing was really tiny, and that is actually going to turn red. And you see the one over here that's green, but it's actually going to be the yellow. Oh, it smells so good. And also here's another tomato plant. That's a cherry tomato. Again, planted on May 7th. Incredible how the mint has taken over in that pot. It was really small, really tiny. But key thing that I've heard and studied up about mint is you don't want to plant it with too many plants, because it'll take over. So you kind of put it in its own little container. Container gardens helps you to focus just on that, without everything being all over into your garden. Give you a little bit more control. And when you're tight on space, like I am, because as you see, I have stuff all in there growing together. So to have a concentrated place for the vegetables was extremely important to me, and it's easy access for me to just come down the steps from my kitchen and come and get what I need, and it's there.